The following contest is your main event of the afternoon and will be contested under Falls Count Anywhere rules, and it is for the XCW Championship. Introducing first, the Maniac, Max Mason. And his opponent, a self-proclaimed best in the universe, Switchblade. And their opponent, coming into the ring by Jess and Redux, the reigning, defending XCW champion, Chase. Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Pants! Come. We know.
Thank you.
Don't lose it. It's very expensive.
When you counting?
Yeah.
For Chase.
1, 2, 3.
No.
1, 2, 3.
No, it's
1,
five.
2,
It's
3.
five.
I said,
Five.
say what?
It's 5.
It is not 5.
It's 5.
It's a false
I'm
count.
with Rascal. Get it.
Can we make it 11?
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Alright, keep hugging me. I'm going to throw you out. You can't make it keep on. Ready? You ready? Let's get it on.
Let's get it on. And just like earlier. Oh. Just like earlier, Switchblade and Max Mason going right at it from the get-go. Chase is just standing around looking pretty.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh, really?
Really?
They're gonna team up on him? Are we seeing a reunion of the agency? Perhaps not. Spoke too soon. Another spine buster.
Mate, I got no issue with you. I like you. Sort of. To a degree. Get him? Let's go.
Alright, another alliance. This time between Chase and Max Mason.
Oh! Come on! Come on!
3-7. 3-7. What's Max Mason doing? Taking control of the match. Double arm DDT on the champ. Cops a drop kick to the back from Switchblade. That does nothing to the beast.
Come on, bitch!
Stay back for a minute, Chase.
Face first into the left. And a kick to the head.
Let's go, what's that?
I think it was aiming for Switchblade. Oh, here we go. Athletic, but cops a shoulder tackle.
Champ, huh? My shoe! A push!
Spiked him with a double arm DDT. Now, Switchblade's going after the leg.
No!
Did he tap? Ref, did he tap?
No, he didn't tap.
Looked like he tapped.
No, he didn't tap. Paper champion. And champion's asshole.
Swing it harder.
Hit him harder.
Please, no.
Hit him harder, you pussy.
I'm injured.
On my arm.
I'm injured. Look, we can gang up on him. We can gang up on him, please. Please.
What kind of a champion runs away from a challenge?
What a pitiful joke.
Get him. Him.
Straight to the small of the back.
Agency.
Now taking control. Well, it was in control until he got knocked the fuck down. Oh, look at this. Double submission. Put him in a double submission. Who wins if he taps?
Do you want to continue? Yeah, 100% sure.
Who wins if he taps? And now Max Mason, I think he's for a moment had both. Chase rolling out of it, looking for a cross arm breaker.
Yes, Chase.
I think he's got it. He's got it. He's got it locked in.
You got this, champ.
Max Mason's trying to roll out of it. Big leg drop by Switchblade.
One, two. Hey, paper boy. We ain't good. Ignore him, Chase. Ignore him. Paper boy.
Country boy. Jeff sex with sheep.
Country boys can wrestle.
Oh, it's a hair extension. And he gets whipped by his own hair extension.
Do you think that piece of hair was going to...
I thought he did. Thought he was going for a pin there. Decided to smack him in the mouth instead. What's Chase doing? Trying to get the leg.
You give?
Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh. 1, 2. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Max Mason easily taken control. What's this? Hold on a second. Why is... I'm confused. He's going after Switchblade.
So
He's
always had a plan.
Going after Switchblade. He said he had a plan. What's he doing? He's taking Switchblade out of the match. Are we going to stop this?
Please just wait. Let's just wait.
I think he's been taken out of the match. John Evans is abducted with... He's abducted Switchblade. Don't tell me you
That's
had a
one
part of
gone.
this.
One to go.
Got this champ.
You think that? Yeah, it does.
I don't know where Chase keeps finding these hair injections. What orifice of his body does he pull him out of?
His ass.
That's what I was thinking. Chase just can't. He did. Yeah, he's got him by the arm.
Come on, Eddie. Come on, mate.
It was a modified triangle there.
Oh.
Oh, the DDT. What will the state of XCW be as with Max Mason as champion? Knee right to the gut. What's he doing? He just dumped him.
Pin him, Chase. Pin him, Chase. Pin him, Chase. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Oh. My head. Oh. Oh.
His hair's covered in dog poop.
Oh. 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 Ow. Oh. 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 Ah! Ah!
Not sure who caught what. Is that a DDT? I think Chase has got the neck. He has. This is turning into a brawl.
Ah! Ah!
Now the cross. He's got it. Cross arm breaker from Max Mason. Right arm giving Chase some trouble.
Stick to the plan, Chase. Come on, mate.
Where's Switchblade?
We've dealt with him, he's fine.
Let's go Chase! Let's go Chase!
Crowd getting behind Chase.
Back him up!
You can't. No DQ. Full scan anywhere. Chase needs to pull something out of the hat to win this one. Switchblade's been abducted by John Evans. Poor bastard.
Oh! Oh!
Speak of the devil! What the fuck? Switchblade's back.
Oh!
I don't know what kind of butt sex that John Evans did to him, but he's out and he's alive.
What? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Could this be the comeback of the century where Switchblade wins the championship?
Let's hope so. Something different. Someone different.
Someone relevant.
It's broken. It's broken.
I think Switchblade's injured. Grasping at that shoulder. Switchblade being helped to the back.
Bitch. Come on. Need help up?
Did you just spray him in the eyes? What did you spray him in the eyes with?
2, 3.
And he's won.
Here is your winner and still your XCW champion, Chase.
Wait a second. Max Mason isn't done. He got screwed. Max Mason got screwed. Max Mason wants to follow him.
You did good. You did good!
Wait. He's peed. Max Mason is peed. Max Mason got screwed out of the title and he wants revenge. Dragging all the way back to the... Chase is the winner. Chase is still the champion. Max Mason just wants revenge. Up he goes. Down he goes again.
Bitch.
Holy crap. What's this? John Evans, this is turning into a chaotic brawl. What else is going to happen? Don't tell me John Evans wants a piece of Chase. What the fuck? What the absolute fuck is this?
Plan C comes through, don't it, baby?
Wait, it's the dead click. Where the fuck did he jump out of from? Let's get the fuck out of me. Well, oh, holy shit! Wait, it's Ricardo. Oh, the cutter on the stage, and then Max Mason wants a piece of Ricardo.
Hey, play my team!
Not sure what to call this finish.
Get nice off here, failure. Agency for life.
I'm not entirely sure what to call this finish.